Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the Revell P-40B Tiger Shark build. Last episode we did some panel line accent to bring out the ailerons, rudder, and some other stuff, and I made a mess on the side of the fuselage and the underside. In this video we're gonna take a little bit of thinner on a Q-tip and we're just gonna kind of clean up some of that mess we made. And then after, we can continue the weathering process after that. You'll have to excuse me today. I feel like I have come down with a cold or something. So let's flip this around and then let's just kind of start cleaning this up a little bit. Kind of gonna go in the direction of the airflow, just to if there is any streaking, I want it to go with the direction of the air. And I don't mind a little bit of smudging, actually. I'm trying to make this thing nice and grungy after all. Like that. Turn the model around here. Try not to break off the... Oh, wait a minute. Let me get this part. Don't want to take it all the way, but... Try to keep it in the cowl lines and everything. Let's flip it around here. Get a little more here and then turn it around. So I probably won't be a whole lot talkative, which might be a good thing. Oop. We are going to do a streaking effect with the other paint. Panel line accent stuff, the Tamiya, excuse me, that I used on it was more to bring out the aileron lines and the aileron lines right there, the elevator and rudder lines, and the trim tab lines. Yeah, and I don't even mind that little streakage there. A little bit out of the line there. Which isn't the end of the world. Don't need to be absolutely consistent. Alright. Let's flip it around since we did the other underside there. Flip it over here and get a fresh one. Turn the model this way. Like so. It wasn't as messy on the tail, it don't look like, which is a good thing. Like that. Would be around like so. Much more pronounced ailerons now. I like that. I'm just moistening the Q-tip. Now, I'm gonna have to order me some thinner. Now the side stuff here, I kind of got ahead of myself and it's not really what I was going for. So we may end up losing most of that. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna go away. Getting crazy with the thinner there though. Probably keep it in the shot for you, huh? So most of the stuff on the side I really wanted to do with the other type of paint, but we're still gonna most of that's gonna go away. If I we'll get the effect that I wanted there from the. It is giving it a little bit of a dirty look though, from where I kind of wiping it off. It's so we didn't really lose anything there. We gained some grunge. Which is what we're trying to do. Yeah, that's gonna give me a little haze. Little dirty haze to it. That's okay. Yeah. I was a little worried that that was a major oops there, but I can't wait to do the exhaust soot. That's gonna be fun. Some of that streakiness. I kind of like that. Huh. Alright. Well, that's a pleasant surprise. Yeah, I'll have to order thinner. Still got a big bottle of airbrush thinner, but there's one thing I did notice I messed up on, and I did not paint the black stripes along the wing root of the plane. Give us a little bit of stain there. Very subtle, but we're really going to get nuts with it eventually. And then, yeah, give it a little dirtiness to the bottom. We're going to get the really oil stain that. It's kind of... Alright. No, that wasn't a lost cause. Kind of give it a what am I trying to say? I lost my words again. Swipe a little bit off the guns because we did do a little bit of oh, missed a spot. Our rudder. Yeah, that kind of dirtied it a little bit. Clouded, nice little grungy dark on the side there. That brings out our ailerons, rudder, trim tabs. And in the next video, we're gonna start doing some streaking on it to make it really look dirty. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. We'll see you guys next time.